KPLT stock, Katapult Holdings Inc. up 28.55% in this session of the 3rd of September 2021. Currently it is retracing now, getting some support from the 50-day moving average based on this 1-minute model we are looking at right now. There's some sell-off that has just ensued at the moment. Momentum has totally collapsed right now, just right in front of us. MACD below the signal line. RSI is also declining, and it has broken through that 50-day moving average. There isn't any news out there concerning what is behind this rally. It's losing right now. It is losing now. There isn't any news out there. The news last time there was any news was about the first, that was on Wednesday, the 1st of September. But there's no fresh news at the moment. The stock is just rapidly losing steam. There's also a class action lawsuit against them for not disclosing sufficient information and all that stuff, but that's a different thing altogether. Those are fundamentals. Right now we are looking at the technicals and the quantitatives concerning Katapult. It's rapidly losing steam here. Who knows what is behind this? So let's quickly have a look and see what's going on with on the daily model for Katapult. So this is what's going on here. The stock has been rallying since the 20th of August. So it is rallying within a longer term bearish trend. Okay, the underlying trend for Katapult is a bearish one. So let's see what's going on here on Charles Schwab. You will see that that is the case. Yes, the underlying trend is pretty much bearish. This 200-day moving average is sloping downwards, and it has been retracing. It started to retrace since early February, and it was just sometime on the 20th of August it started to move up. Since that time it has exceeded its 50-day moving average, and we can see it has a market cap of $546 million, 96.822 million shares outstanding. The float could be different, so let's see whether things are improving. They are not improving. It's still retracing and retracing. Maybe a good buying opportunity for you. So you decide whether you're going to get involved. It's looking up now, trying to move up, trying to challenge that 50-day moving average, currently at $7.12 now. Momentum is trying to improve, but still oversold. RSI is also improving as well. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's find out if it is a case of a short squeeze that is behind this. Let's see. Okay, 15% sold short, so it could be. Float is 50.2 million, so that 95 million we saw is bigger than the shares floated. So 15.8 million, 15.8% are sold short. So let's see if we can get the figure for the 2nd of August of September. 44.85% of the shares that traded on the 2nd were sold short. 53% for the 1st. Okay, so possibly a case of short squeeze, possibly. Let's see if it has options. If there are options involved, then that will be good. It will stay around, even though it may not rally that much, but it may hang around for some time. Let's see if there are options involved with KPLT, I think. Let's see. Okay, there are options. Yes, there are options involved. Let's see. this will not give us a very good, okay, volume. Okay, there are volumes here. Okay, so let's expand all of them and see. So market participants are looking at the 750 strike, so you can see the volume there is at 30,388, and then obviously since the stock is over $6 now, people are also interested in that one. But this 751, they are very keen on that. They are banking on the stock reaching there. They are quite confident that it will reach 750, but even if it doesn't reach 750, it's just the next step is already at 7, so not very far from 750. Let's see other ones. Okay, that's also the case with the here on the October 15. The 750 is quite has a significant volume, but for some reason as well, the 11 strike has the biggest of the volumes. I think 18,536. What could be that? What could be the reason behind that? $11. Are they looking at the stock reaching $11? The $11 here is also small. Okay, that's okay. Well, this is the September 17th. It's going to expire in 14 days, but this is the October 15th expiring in 42 days. So it makes some sense. At least before that time, there's every chance it will reach there. So we are also looking at possibly a case of short and gamma, a case of gamma squeeze as well as it concerns KPLT. So let's return and see what's going on here. It's okay, moving up again, has moved up now, up to $7.31. The gain is now at 29.26. So they buy the deepers jumped in here and took it up now. So fingers crossed. See how you're going to play this one now. See how you're going to play KPLT stock. The options are quite affordable. The 750 here, it's going to cost you $155, and the spread is only 5 cents. And yes, there are no other. 750 is slightly far off from $9, hence that smaller volume we have here. So okay, we're looking at the October 15th. Let's look at the September 17th. You can see that 750 is going to cost you $105, and but the $9 has a bigger spread. But you know, there's some interest there as well. There's some interest as well. So that will cost you $70. The $10 strike is also not has some interest there as well. You can see 7,472. It's going to cost you $55 to get one contract. So let's return and see what's going on. It's holding on at that 7.31 level. Okay, see what you make of KPLT stock, Katapult. It's of great interest to market participants. It's buzzing on stock tweets, and we've not seen what's going on Reddit as it concerns KPLT. So obviously there are, the company is accused of deceiving investors. So it will definitely be of interest to short sellers. So, but the technicals is what really matters at the moment, and that's where the money is. And the fundamentals could be, full of, could be all about fraud and all that stuff. But the quantitatives and the technicals is what really is where the substance is where the money is. So that's what we're looking at right now. So see how you're going to play KPLT stock. Are you going to buy the stocks or are you going to play the options? But in any case, be very, very careful. Be very careful. It has run up a huge amount of extension. Technically, it is still very much a bearish stock based on just one we are looking at right now. In this very short term, it's looking up. Of late, it's been looking up since the 20th of August. So the technicals, it has reversed the downward trend and it's been moving up. At the same time as well, it has been relentlessly on the ascent. So There's every chance as well that it will also retrace, especially now that the interest is growing on the stock right now. So just be careful, know what you're doing. We'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.